Hi there, it's Imran from Car Sound Secure in East London. We've just finished installing a StarLine M66 tracking and immobilisation on this Ford Puma 2021 plate, lovely looking car. So how it works is basically you get this tag. Without the tag, the vehicle won't start, but most importantly, when a thief attempts to start the car by cloning or putting their computers down, you'll get a phone call within 10 seconds. The M66 has also got tracking on there as well, so you can track the vehicle as well, and you've got anti-hijack as well, so you can actually activate anti-hijack if someone wants to take your tag and your keys, etc. So I've got Richard there with the keys. He's just going to go and attempt to start the car first of all. I've got the tag here, so we won't start. Go for it, Richard. So he's attempting, and shortly you're going to get a phone call. Apologies about the glare. So there we go, it's going off. So let's just answer that and put the voice on. You might be able to hear it.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition.
So it's telling me someone's attempted the ignition to start the vehicle. So Richard, if you want to take this tag and just jump in, and so now it basically starts with the tag. Okay, so no tag, no start. You've got tracking on there, and notification as well. Someone tries to start the vehicle without the tag there, so I'll give you a phone call, app notification, and a text message as well. All right, thanks for watching. If you're interested in getting something like this done on your vehicle, get in contact with us on the details after this video. Thank you.